What are you trying to tell me? Did God send you here? Then you better speak to me. You are so white as snow, and be at peace. And you don't worry about what you're gonna eat, what you're gonna wear. Just enjoy the sunshine. You have no worries in life. Your food is everywhere. And you are free as birds. You are so free. You give joy to the earth and to humanity. And when your time is up, you leave, fly. That's how we should live. We are here briefly, fleeting times. We're like a vapor, not viper, vapor. Yes, Lord, I will live worry-free life. I will try in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.